Christianity, religion Christianity, how Christianity spread in Europe, start from Europe. Now let's learn about the Islam and its impact. Islam is one of the major religions of the world today. You all know that it's practiced by over 1.6 million people. From the deserts of Arabia, where Prophet Muhammad laid down the tenets of Islam in the 7th century CE, that common era. This religion swept across Asia, Africa, and Europe in less than 200 years. This is the great mosque at Makkah, the holy place for the followers of Islam. Before the coming of Islam, the Arab world was ruled by the warlike tribal groups. Some of these groups were nomads. Others led settled lives near oases. Oases are nothing but the places where water is found in deserts. You all know what are the deserts? The waterless area is called the desert. But oases are the places where water can be found, or in the coastal towns. These people became the first follower of Prophet Muhammad. The person who follow Prophet Muhammad are are the followers of are the known as Mohammedans, and they are the followers of Islam. Now, how the Islam came into an existence. Prophet Muhammad was born around 500 CE, that is Common Era, in Makkah. There's a small town in Arabia. His father died before he was born, and his mother died when he was 6 years old. He was brought up by his uncle. When Muhammad grew up, when Prophet Muhammad grew up, he married widow named Khadija. Widow is a person whose husband was died early, and spent several years managing her business affairs. In course of his work, he went on long journey and thus become in contact with a variety of people and customs. His gentle and honorable nature won him affection of the citizens of Makkah, and by the common consent, he received the title of Al-Amin, the faithful one. He was very honest person. Around 610 CE, when Prophet Muhammad was around 40 years old, his life changed. One day, as he sat meditating in a cave, he went to the terrace and realized that there was only one God, that is Allah, who had chosen Muhammad as his prophet. Prophet is person who explain the words and the will of God to the common people. Prophet वो होते हैं जो अल्लाह के बारे में सारी बात बताते हैं, आम लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं और उन्हें बताते हैं कि एक्चुअली गॉड क्या है, अल्लाह क्या है. Teaching of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad started teaching his beliefs in an increasing circle of followers. They accepted his command to put away the idols and surrender to the formless Allah, He who is great all than all else. What he used to say, actually, he used to say, followers को समझाते that you should not do the idol worship. Idol worship यानी बुत परस्ती. ओके, बुत परस्ती को कहते हैं आइडल वर्शिप. तो वो कहते थे कि बुत परस्ती नहीं होनी चाहिए, ओनली देयर इज गॉड इज हैविंग द सुपरनैचुरल पावर. मेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ इस्लाम इज वाज द वननेस ऑफ गॉड. बस एक ही चीज है कि ये मानना है कि अल्लाह एक है, गॉड एक है. where see children, remember God, Allah, Bhagwan, सब. Remember, there is only one. Okay, he believed that after that there was a life of eternal happiness for those who were faithful and righteous, and a life of eternal suffering in hell for those who were faithful and evil. Gambling, drinking, lending money on interest were prohibited. So उनका कहना ये था, उनकी प्रीचिंग ये थी कि आफ्टर डेथ यानी मरने के बाद हमारी जो लाइफ उनकी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी, जो ईमानदार रहे, जो सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चले और अपनी लाइफ को सफरिंग से गुजारी हो. और वो लोग मीन्स हेवन में जाएंगे, और वो लोग हेल में जाएंगे जो शराब पीते हैं, जुआ खेलते हैं, मनी को इंटरेस्ट पे चलाते हैं, हेरा फेरी करते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं, सारे शैतान के रास्ते पे चलते. ये उनकी प्रीचिंग थी. ऑल ट्रू बिलीवर्स वर इक्वल, सेड मोहम्मद. सब जो सच बोलता है और सब बिलीव करता है कि गॉड है, वो सब एक जैसे हैं। द रिलीजन ऑफ मोहम्मद प्रीच वाज सिंपल विदाउट एलॉबरेट रिचुअल्स। इन जो प्रोफेट मोहम्मद ने सिखाया है चिल्ड्रन, वो एक सिंपल टीचिंग थी, उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, उसमें कुछ आपको रस्म और रिवाज करने नहीं थे। बिलीवर्स इन अल्लाह हैड टू फॉलो 5 सिंपल रूल्स वेर इस्लाम कॉल्ड द 5 पिलर्स ऑफ इस्लाम। जो इस्लाम को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, जो मुस्लिम्स होते हैं चिल्ड्रन, वो सिर्फ 5 पिलर्स होते हैं ईमान के उनके। वो ये है शहादात और डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ फेथ, द रेफरेंस टू बिलीव दैट अल्लाह देयर इज वन गॉड बट अल्लाह एंड मोहम्मद इज द प्रॉफिट। यानी उसमें ये कहा गया है कि सिर्फ एक ही गॉड है, वो अल्लाह है, और मोहम्मद उनके प्रॉफिट है, नबी है। एंड वी हैव टू कीप फेथ ऑन। सलात और प्रेयर, मुस्लिम आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू प्रे 5 टाइम्स अ डे। यस, दिन में इन्हें 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़नी होती है। दे कैन प्रे एनीवेयर एज लॉन्ग एज देयर द प्लेस इज क्लीन। वो कहीं भी पढ़ सकते हैं, बस थिंग ये है कि जो जगह है वो साफ हो। यस चिल्ड्रन, वो चाहे तो रोड पे भी नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं, वो चाहे तो हरी घास पे भी नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं, बस ये है कि वो जगह साफ हो। मुस्लिम शुड आइडियली सेज देयर प्रेयर्स और नमाज इन अ मॉस्क। जो जेंट्स होते हैं वो नमाज मॉस्क में पढ़ते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड दी सलात। ज़कात, चैरिटी, दिस रूल रेफर्स टू गिविंग ऑफ आर्म्स, यानी अपने हमें क्या करना है, ज़कात देना है, गरीबों की मदद करना है, दैट्स व्हाई ये बोला गया है ज़कात। सो बाय गिविंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द बिलोंगिंग एज मच दे आर। सपोज फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, कोई बहुत रिच है तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी का 25% उसे क्या करना है, गरीब को देना है। सो स्वैम और फास्टिंग, यस, रोजा रखना, फास्टिंग। यू ऑल नो कि वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट द मंथ ऑफ रमजान, द 9th मंथ ऑफ आवर मुस्लिम कैलेंडर। 9th मंथ होता है मुस्लिम कैलेंडर का, वो फॉलो करते हैं, ट्रेडिशनली फास्ट रखते हैं फ्रॉम डॉन मॉर्निंग टू डस्क। फास्टिंग इज ऑफ सेल्फ प्यूरिफिकेशन, है ना, इट्स नथिंग बट सेल्फ प्यूरिफिकेशन। फास्ट रखने से हमारा खुद की सफाई होती है। Hajj and pilgrimage. Hajj is nothing but it's a pilgrimage going to Makkah and performing all able bodies expected to make at least once in their lifetime. बोला गया है कि मुस्लिम्स को एक बार हज के लिए जाना जरूरी है। Muhammad increased the popularity upset the priest of Makkah, and so in 622, see, he had to migrate to Medina. वहाँ migration Medina, and he was called as the हिजरात। सो व्हेन ही मोहम्मद जब मक्का में जब इस्लाम फैला चुके थे हुजूर मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु, देन ही मूव टू मदीना, देन माइग्रेशन वाज डन, दैट इज कॉल्ड दी दिस इज कॉल्ड दी हिजरत। एंड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द मुस्लिम कैलेंडर इज हिजरी, दैट्स व्हाई इसको बोला गया है, जो हमारी मुस्लिम कैलेंडर की जो ईयर्स बोला जाता है चिल्ड्रन, उसको हिजरी बोला जाता है। And now Prophet Muhammad became the religious head of the people. In 630 CE, he re-entered Makkah and made it one of the central sanctuaries of Islam. After Muhammad's death, 362 CE, his teachings were collected in a book called the Quran, which is guided to religion and to everyday life for all the Muslims. The expansion of Islam, yes, by the Prophet Muhammad died, Islam has spread throughout the Arab world. The Arab trade with Indian, China, Europe, and East and West. Then they took the message of these Islam to the places. Yes, इस religion को फैलाया कैसे चिल्ड्रन? ऐसे नहीं कि जोर जबरदस्ती लड़ाई झगड़ों से नहीं फैलाया गया। ये रिलीजन ऐसे फैलाया जब यहाँ से लोग वहां ट्रेड करने गए, मुस्लिम्स उधर ट्रेड करने गए, देन दे प्रीच कि ये टीचिंग्स होती है। इस तरह से इस्लाम फैला है, कभी भी लड़ाई और जंग से नहीं हुआ है। बाय द एंड ऑफ द 8th century CE, the religion has spread in India too as well. Now what is Khalif? Muhammad that gives rise to the rule of the Khalifs. Khalifs were the successors of Muhammad, who were born both the religious and civil leader of the community. जिनका काम होता है, खलीफ्स वो होते हैं चिल्ड्रन जिनका काम ये होता है कि कम्युनिटी को भी देखना और डायनास्टी और रिलीजियस को भी फॉलो करना है। Then this is called the Khalifat. The rule of Khalifat is the Rashidan Khalifat. Now, upon the death of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his father-in-law Abu Bakr was elected to be the member of the Islam. He was the first Khalif. He was followed by the turn Umar Usman. Uthman and Ali. Together, they became to be known as the Rashidun Khalifat, and the rule to the 632 in 661 CE. The Ummad Khalifat. The Rashidun Khalifs were followed by the Ummayyas, who ruled 661 to 750 CE. Under them, administrative centers of Islam shifted from Medina to Damascus in Syria. By 712 CE, the Islamic Empire stretches from Spain to the river Indus. Now, Abbasid Caliphate. Abbasid Caliphate descended the paternal uncle of Prophet Muhammad. They overthrew the last of the Ummads in Sisi. They moved the capital from the Damascus to Baghdad, and they ruled more than 500 years. The dynasty fell to a Mongol attack in 258 CE. Now the Ottoman Empire, after the fall of Abbasid, the Seljuk Turks and then Ottomans came to power in Middle East, and there the Islam was came into an existence. And in 1453 Common Era, the Ottomans took over Constantinople, the capital of Eastern Roman Empire, by Byzantine Empire, and then they rename it as Istanbul. Okay, children. Now, how the impact of Islamic civilization on trade. Between 7 to 10th century, Arabs traders and dominated and provided a crucial link between the products of the East and the market to the West till 15th century. Okay, now the Arabs made significant contribution to the field of science and astronomy, and also learned a lot from India, especially in the fields of astronomy and medicines. And Islamic art, one of the beautiful paintings of human as it thought to the lead of worship of idols. Islam forbade that they don't believe on the human painting, because idol worship करना वहां पर मना है, इसीलिए वो लोग human painting को नहीं मानते. That's why उनके घर में photos pictures लगाना allow नहीं है. So yes, though they focus instead of art mostly abstract and decorative with geometric patterns and calligraphy. सी कैलीग्राफी ऑन द वॉल ऑफ अ मॉस्क. यहाँ मस्जिद पे आपको देखिए ये ज्योमेट्री पैटर्न्स है जो कॉमनली यूज्ड होते हैं इस्लामिक पैटर्न्स पे. द हाउस ऑफ विजडम इन बगदाद. It was established in Baghdad during the rule of Abbasid. Was a famous library and center for translation. Works of Persian, the Greeks, and the Indian were translated to Arabic. Next, so India and the Arabs. Here, Islam first came to India through Arab trade, who settled in Malabar coast of Kerala around 7th century CE. Traders received the patronage of local rulers. India contact with Islamic culture increased greatly after the arrival of Muslim invaders, who went to become rulers of India, starting with Qutbuddin Aibak in 1200 CE. This is a depicted picture बनाई गई है एक Arab physician की. So children, this is about the Islam and its impact. So hope you all have understood what actually Islam religion, because children, we are staying in India and everybody has a wrong vision. Okay, this is what. But remember, if you're a good human, you can follow everything. You can follow correct things on correct time. Or now I'm going to share all the question answers and related exercises to you on the WhatsApp group. Read the lesson, try to learn the things, and keep on learning. Okay, all of you take care. Bye. See you all in next class.